We are pleased to show you the 2025 Enclave. The Enclave offers 3 rows of seats, standard. Not only is it roomy and stylish, but Buick really did its homework on this vehicle. They did not cut any corners. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, power liftgate, remote keyless entry, front wheel drive, 4-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, traction control, brake assist, rear window defroster. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.